Together, but first, our top story. A huge student rally is making its way through the downtown core this afternoon. Thousands of students from across the city are marching today, protesting the high cost of tuition in Ontario. In fact, groups have come into the city from across the province to march in solidarity. The march is gearing up at Queen's Park for a demonstration. Let's go live now to CP24's Sue Scambatti, who's been following the crowd for the past few hours. Sue, what's happening now?
Well, hi, Nathan. This protest is winding down right now. You can see just over my shoulder, people are putting their placards on this flatbed. There was about 1,200, upwards of 1,200 students participated in this march today. It started around 11 o'clock at Ryerson and other universities, and the march began at noon, went to U of T, and then came over here at 3 o'clock where a rally was held. I'm joined now by one York University student who participated, Gail. What did you take from today?
It was really amazing to see so many campuses coming together, not just in the GTA region, but talking to folks in Ottawa who are marching up to Parliament Hill, talking to folks in Windsor, knowing that in Prince Edward Island and British Columbia and Saskatchewan and all across the country today, students were uniting to fight for the right to an education. It was amazing.
It's about affordability for you.
Yes, absolutely. Well, and not just for me, for most students here in Ontario, we pay the highest tuition fees in the entire country for some time now. So it's really addressing the issue that the grant that the Liberal government has currently given us does not address the issue of high tuition fees in general, and really just throws money at a small part of a problem while sort of robbing Peter to pay Paul and taking money from a lot of other students at the same time. So it's frustrating.
Okay, and on this side of me is OFL President Sid Ryan. And what was your message to this crowd today?
Basically, they've got the highest tuition fees of anybody in the country, largest class sizes, largest debt loads, and the lowest investment of any province in Canada in terms of investment in post-secondary education. And a grant doesn't quite do it. It only covers about 1/3 of the students. 2/3 are left out of it. We need across-the-board cuts, so as we actually reduce tuition by 30 or 40% across the board. So that was basically the message I delivered today.
Okay, thank you very much. And from the government side, Finance Minister Dwight Duncan told reporters this morning that the government had just announced $30 million in grants, and he's urging these folks to look at the big picture. Certainly they disagree. Back to you.
Stay with CP24. We'll continue to follow that student demonstration at Queen's Park.